Right, Ginger Cat, can I do my bit, please? Come here, buddy. Settle down. You need to be able to see. Good boy. Okay. Hi everyone, Sarah here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery. I just want to tell you that we are now on Patreon. So we've already launched YouTube memberships, but many of you have asked if you can support us through the Patreon platform. And I know some of you are having trouble becoming a YouTube member due to device incompatibility. So we're now offering you a choice between the two. I just need to clarify at this point that if you're already a YouTube member, you don't need to join Patreon as well. You'll be getting the same thing, so just choose which platform you'd like to support us through. So if you aren't familiar with it, Patreon is a membership platform that connects people like me, making videos with fans and supporters like you. Many hours go into making the free content for the channel, from planning and filming through to editing. And many of you have asked how you can support us in this. Becoming a patron is one way that you can do that. So you will get extra bonus content in the form of patron-only videos, embroidery designs and posts where you can join in the conversation with me. Our YouTube channel has been growing massively in the last few years, and as the channel grows, so does the number of comments, and I love to read them and correspond with you, but it's becoming a bit impossible really to answer all of them, and these posts will offer a way for me to manage this and to ensure that our most loyal supporters are heard. So I just want to reassure non-patrons and non-YouTube members that nothing will change with the channel. We will continue to upload high quality videos all about hand embroidery for you to enjoy for free, as well as posts on the community page for you to get involved in. But do please consider supporting us by joining. So you can do this by clicking the link in the description below this video and just follow the instructions. There's content waiting for you. We have an Edwardian letter script download for you to use in your embroidery projects. We've got some videos up already with me talking about the pieces that inspired me to start my embroidery journey. We have a look at my embroideries and talk about colour and how I chose the colours. And we also have a mandala design coming so that you can stitch along with me. So do look out for that one. That will be along very soon. Patreon membership is via a monthly payment. You can cancel that at any time, so why not just get a month's membership and see if you like what we have on offer for you. Remember, all you've got to do is click that link in the description below and follow the instructions. So whether you become a member or not, both Jonathan and I are really grateful to you for watching our videos, subscribing to the channel, leaving comments and sharing the videos with your stitching friends. Thank you to all of you for making this channel what it is. We couldn't do it without you.